Okay, so here's a question I've never been asked by any of my clients. Walid, what type of camera do you have? Or which lens are you going to use?
Change here, like I want to add this.
It should be changed.
Okay, because I'm gonna put it on the couch and then I just decided to add this. last minute.
If you think it's about your camera, I think you've already lost. It's more than that. It's about having a game plan and having the right recipe, which I figured out on my own because when I started, there wasn't anybody there to help me.
Pull. I don't believe that you're pulling. Pull tight, please. Yeah. Good. And you look right at me. Relax your lips. Good. I love that. I love that down the middle.
You need community support and the kind of community that understands what you're going through, so it's your peers. It's difficult to get that from friends and family, and to be successful, you need people who have gone through what you've gone through, or they're currently going through it with you. The other part of the recipe is having a mentor that you can easily call upon, and they've already done what you want to do.
Hair, are you looking, so based on his hair right now, we're talking about, you're thinking more of that?
Yeah,
And then you have to rethink education, because education alone is absolutely worthless. I do believe that. You gotta learn to rethink it. Think bigger with education. So how are you gonna take your new skills and apply them to your business? How are you gonna use them to grow your business and to charge clients and to keep growing? And then finally, there's business strategy, which I think so many photographers shy away from. Maybe because it's overwhelming or they just don't know what to do. And I think that's why I always wish there was a system that brought it all to me and just told me what to do and when to do it. And that is marketing in a flash.